So I was saying about discipline earlier in my earlier video about being disciplined when acquiring wealth and becoming rich, and I don't know if I said anything about budget, but I'm going to speak about being disciplined in your health and being in shape or getting in shape. Now, this discipline here on acquiring a healthy body, it brings me back to a audio I was listening on my Google Music, and I have a motivational playlist that I have on my Google Music app, and it has a whole bunch of different little segments of motivational speakers. And this one motivational speaker, he speaks and it says, the monk that doesn't wash his body, take care of his body, is not a monk. Okay? He can't be a monk because he's not treating his body the way he's supposed to be treating his body. He's not taking care of his body, cleaning his body, and he cannot be admired and looked upon as a monk. Okay? A monk should be a clean person, respectable, hold in high self-esteem, and does what a monk does, or what a monk is supposed to do. So, a different example is a rich and wealthy person. All right, a rich and wealthy person, they're supposed to be taking care of themselves, clean, healthy, take care of themselves. They don't need to be having a most expensive car, most expensive house, but they need to be in a good health, of good mind, good habits, good behavior. People want to be around them. People enjoy their company. They're just in good, pleasant mood. That's a wealthy person. A wealthy person is supposed to be like that. Okay, so that discipline, okay, in the body counts as being wealthy also. Okay, if you're able to be disciplined with taking care of your body, a whole bunch of other disciplines will kick in. Making up your bed, cleaning your house, cleaning your office, cleaning your warehouse, your workshop, detailing and organizing your shoes, your clothes, your closet, your pots and pans in your kitchen is clean, your refrigerator is well detailed and has all the nice quality foods in it. You don't keep anything old in your refrigerator. You throw it out. If you have to throw it in the freaking backyard and in your garden to grow fresh fruits, vegetable, what have you, that's fine. A wealthy person is very, very disciplined. And trust me, you have some people that get rich, okay, and they're unhealthy as fuck. They are angry as fuck. Okay, they're unhappy as fuck in their marriage, their relationships, but they have a lot of money. That's not wealth, and that's not being rich. Having a lot of money, okay, and living a miserable fucking life, trust me, that's not rich. That's misery. You're just a miserable fucker with a lot of money. Nobody would really want to be around you, and you're not going to want to have anybody around you because you're fucking unhappy with yourself. So, comes in again to discipline. When you're disciplined, my friend, you will create a different mindset for yourself and your surroundings. It doesn't matter how little you have. When you appreciate that, when you appreciate the little you have, more will come. Trust me, man, the majority of stuff I have in my life, a lot of people gave me. I have right behind me right now a luxury recliner, okay? One of the most, I should say the most expensive luxury recliner. This has heated massage in it. It has the freaking rotating shit inside in the back. Recline. It has little pockets for put in your remote, reclines, it reclines too. It's comfortable. And I have a next one right here, which I'm sitting in. These are both in my office. And these both were given to me. This was put out by my neighbor, brand new. Okay, brand new. This was given to me by a next neighbor when I used to live in North Lauderdale, on Oakland Hills in North Lauderdale, Florida. Okay, this was given to me. This green one right here, with like the Matrix style encoding patterns on it. So fucking cool. I love it. This was given to me, and they were all in great condition. It just goes to show you, man, what's in your mind will come to you. And if you're disciplined and you think about rich, you think about quality stuff, you'll get it. There's a lot of people out there that's unhealthy and have a lot of money. Like I said, there's a lot of people that have a lot of raggedy shit, and they like to brag about it. And then you have some people that just accumulate good stuff, quality stuff. Well, it's, you look around and you're like, this motherfucker must have a lot of money. But it's just what's in their mind. So I acquire good quality stuff because that's what's in my mind. I don't accept stuff that's garbage from people, and I'll never pick up anything that looks like shit that I wouldn't want to have around me or in my house. Nothing. You know, I just don't. Because of my mindset, I demand good quality stuff, good quality items, and I don't attract garbage. I just don't. So, discipline. Like I said, discipline. You need to be disciplined with yourself so you could acquire wealth and become rich. Because when you have a guideline, when you have a code, you'll follow that. That comes in also with a freaking budget. You know, some people, wealthy people, or people that's starting out on the wealthy mindset, they don't like budget, but trust me, a budget helps you. A budget is like a belt that holds you and say, hey, let's not loosen this fucking belt right now and spend this money that we need. Okay, because we need this money to pay our phone bill, we need this money to pay our rent, we need this money to buy food. So let's not go out to the freaking club this weekend, or let's not go out to so-and-so or the movies. Let's not go and buy this freaking new phone, because we have a budget and a guideline. If we get off track, we're going to get screwed. That's what your budget do. Your budget, it controls, not really control, but it restricts you and say, hey, pump the brakes, homie. It reminds you, we have to stay to our freaking guns right here and just buy what we have to buy in our category, in our budget, so we can stay on track to save our money, to get what we need to get, to go where we need to go. That's it. Discipline. 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 With that said, I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. See you in a while.